So this is how I like to melt chocolates. No burning and no messing around with double boilers. You need a pot with a lid, or what I like even better, an electric water boiler. You also need a freezer bag or another plastic bag that is both heat resistant and waterproof. You need a small knife with a sharp tip, and of course the chocolate. Fill your container with water up to around 2/3 and turn on the heat. Put your chocolate pieces in the plastic bag, and once the water has reached around 60 to 70 C or 140 to 160 F, turn off the heat. As a rough guideline, at this temperature you can stick your finger in for about a second. Put the bag in and clamp the upper part with the lid, so the opening can't get underwater. After about 5 minutes, the chocolate should be completely molten. Depending on what you want to do with it, you can either cut the bag open all the way, or just poke a tiny hole at the corner to do some delicate decoration. What I love about this method is that you have absolutely no cleanup, and that you can easily squeeze out every last drop of chocolate, wasting almost none of it. Alright, if you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.